so he was so
Why don't you
scared.
get yourself a dog, man?
I guess it's just like I will never be at home to take care of him, so I'll be like an evil boss,
True.
evil owner.
I mean,
I
I'm
don't know.
worse.
I mean,
I think I'm worse.
my thing just passed away. Like 2 weeks ago, my bunny, and I was like, and I did take care of the bunny a lot, you know.
Oh, okay.
But I just love how he just like he's so comfortable with me, you know. He's cool.
He's like a cat.
Are you a cat? Oh, I can see his.
No, he doesn't happy.
No, it's pretty cool. The teeth.
Yeah, he likes to smile.
Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. I mean, the smile, right? Yeah, I was gonna say because it looks pretty like scary, but it's like a smile. It's not, I mean, I've heard. Wow, it's pretty amazing though.
Yeah.
All right, buddy.
Oh, fine. I'll show you on my phone.
Yeah, I just finished it, so it's all good.
You can,
Yeah, well, make sure it works. Just test out the speaker. Your phone call. Oh, you're so cute, little piece of-
I'll show you him smiling.
Shaq is coming back, huh?
Hmm?
Shaq is coming back with commercials and
Yeah. Here, look.
he was lost. that's like so no, like right now he's doing a similar act.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool, man.
That's my dog.
No, seriously, bro. This is like one special dog.
Yeah.
Like it's like super like you said, like it's like a cat.
Yeah.
All right, buddy. I know you smile for the camera.
Okay. It works. Camera works.
Cool. You smiling?
lives.
Smile for the camera.
I don't know. Ari's still here. Say hi.
Hey. This dog is too cute.
You're a good boy. What was I gonna say? Okay, camera works. Other camera works.
Yeah,
We are in business.
check the other camera.
It's like I have a new phone.
Oh.
It's just so slow.
Yeah,
no,
because
I'm gonna wait for the 8.
yeah, seriously, bro. I'm doing the same thing. I have a 6S and I'm waiting for the 8. Like
Yeah, just waiting.
even the red one just came out. You heard about that, right?
Yeah.
And I feel like even the red is my favorite color, but I'm not getting it.
It's just the color there. I can paint your phone color. I can.
Yeah, you can totally do it. There's actually like shops that do it. There's actually a body shop in West Hollywood that literally paints iPhones like with an actual metal paint.
Really?
Yeah, I heard about it on
Am I supposed to? Is this like a sharp edge that I'm supposed to be worrying
What?
about?
what is it?
Feel this? It's like.
Oh no, it's just that because the frame has been dented so many times like that.
Oh,
That
okay.
it's actually like yeah just
It's like a little wider.
yeah it feels like lifted because it's not like fully in.
Yeah. All right. No
But-
worries.
But it's totally fine.
Oh, Nugget.
Man, it's just funny the way he is like.
You got
Like-
that?
Oh.
I'll just see. I love you. I love you.
Oh, if you want me to say what he's doing, you're gonna like die. No, he's like looking. He's like, I don't know how I'm gonna go now. Like, sorry, buddy. I wish you lived close to me. Did you? Buddy, you're a good doggy. You are, Mr. Nugget.
Alright, let's get this payment going.
Cool, brother.